Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this video I will solve problem linguistics from round 794, that is a tip 2. So let's get started. So we have been given the problem that we have a string of length a plus b plus 2c plus 2d, and it is made up of letters capital N capital B. So we have a string of something like this, you can see. We have to break this string into some parts such that it contains some number of a numbers of capital A, b number of capital B's, c number of capital AB, and d number of capital BA. So basically we have to break the string into some substrings such that it contains these number of A's and B's and AB's and BA's. So how can I do this? So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see here, it contains a number of capital A's, c number of capital AB, and d number of capital BA's, and all of these have a A. So in total the string must have A plus C plus D number of A's, right? So that will be our first basic check. String must contain A plus C plus D number of capital A's. Otherwise it's not possible. So now that we are done with step, we don't need to care about A and B now, right? Because now we know that there are enough number of A's and B's, so we don't need to think about A and capital and capital B now. But what I mean to say is, given A, B, C and D. Now we know that there are enough number of A's and B's in the string. So now we don't need to care about these, because now we know that there are A plus C plus D number of A's, and there will be the complement number of B's as well. So and it is always possible to break the string into capital and capital B, right? So now we don't need to think about these. Now we only need to think about AB and BA, if it's possible to break the string into enough number of AB and enough number of BA's. So now we just need to focus on these two. Also, if you see, we have AB and BA, and there are no two strings that have two consecutive same letters, right? So we don't see BB here, we don't see AA here. So none of the strings have two consecutive same letters. So if we have been given our input string, we can break it on the basis of consecutive letters. For example, if we have something like this, if we have been given a string A B B A B, then I can surely split it up here. And say that these two are different strings, because I know my strings AB and BA don't have two consecutive same letters. So these two strings must belong to, these two are two different strings, right? So what I will do is I will break my string on the basis of two consecutive letters. Whenever I see two consecutive letters, I will split my strings, because I know they will belong to two different strings. So that will be my strategy. So after splitting on the basis of consecutive letters, I will have some type of groups, right? So I will call group 1. That will be single letters that are A and B's. I don't need to think about these. Don't consider these. Second group will be the odd group, strings that are of odd length. So something like this: A B A B A B A, or B A B A B. So you can see these are contributing x by 2. So if length of this string is x, it is contributing x by 2 to AB and similarly x by 2 to BA. So if I choose some string, I can either take x by 2 AB from it or x by 2 BA from it, or I can I can split it up here. And I can take 1 AB from it and 2 BA from it. So in total it will contribute x by 2 to my AB and my BA. Similarly, the second part, I can move this B and it will give me 2 BAs, and this part will give me 1 AB. So if length of my odd group is x, then I will get x by 2 ABs or BAs from it. So that will be my second group. Now I will have my third group. It will be something like AB, 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 and AB, something like this, or BA, 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 something like this. And if length of this is equal to x, then I will get x by 2 ABs from it. Similarly, if length of this is y, then I will get y by 2 BAs from it. And if I want to get BA from this string, I will have to remove some characters. So if I want to get 1 BA from this, I will have to remove this A and this B. Then I will get 1 BA from this. So if you want to get some, if I have this AB, 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 if I have to get y BAs from this, then I will have to remove y plus 1 into 2 characters, right? What I mean to say is, if I have something like this, AB, AB, I have A here, I will have my y BAs here, and I will have my B here. I will have to remove this whole string. I will have to remove A from here, B from here. It will give me y BAs, and the rest of the string will be left here. So if length of this string is equal to x, then I will have x minus y plus 1 into 2 over 2 leftover B ABs. So like that will be the basic formula. So if length of AB string is, I will call this string AB. In the future, in my code also, I will call this string AB, and I will call this string BA. So if length of my string AB is x, then I can get at most, x minus 2 over 2 BAs from it, right? So that is the basic fabrication that you can get after splitting it. So you will get basically 3 groups here. And now you want to check greedily if it's possible to get C ABs and D BAs. So steps for that will be, now you want to greedily check if it's possible to assign C ABs, D BAs. So steps for that will be, group 1 does not contribute anything. That was very evident. Now group 2, जो मेरा group 2 है, our group 2 contributes same to AB and BA. So we will call that common count. For example, if our common strings are AB, AB, A, BA, B, then it contributes to 1. So our common count will be equal to 3 here. So the number of common AB and BA strings that we can get from group 2, that will be our common count. Now we move on to group 3. Our group 3 will have 2 types of strings, either AB or either BA, right? And if length of this is x, it will contribute x by 2 to my AB and x by 2 minus 1 to my BA, something like this. So now let's check greedily. Let's greedily check if it's possible to form CABs and DBAs. So first of all, iterate over all AB strings, right? The strings of form AB, AB, AB. Iterate over all strings of these form and try to get as many ABs that you can. So you can say for every string of this type, try to get as many as many strings as you can for your C, right? Try to get as many AB strings as you can. Similarly for BA, do the same for BA. For example, if your n is equal to, if your C is equal to 5 and you have AB strings of these type, AB, 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 something like this, then you will first iterate over this string and you will get your C, your count here is equal to 3 and your count here is equal to 2. Now your count is greater than equal to C. So now you are okay. Now it may be possible that there are not enough, there is not enough contribution from AB, like there is not enough contribution from AB strings to make your count equal to C. It may be possible that there is not enough contribution from AB strings. For example, if your C is equal to 8 here, for C is equal to 8 here, now your AB strings are only contributing 5. So you need 3 more AB strings. So that is where your common count will help. That is where your common count. Now you know there is a group 2 of string. There are some strings in group 2 that will contribute to your common count, right? So your common count is equal to 3 here. So now you can take 3 ABs from your common count. So after using all ABs, after using all AB strings, if your count of AB is less than C, then take help of common count or group 2. Or group 2. So now now my C is equal to 8 and my current count AB is equal to 5 and my common count was equal to 3. So now I will take 3 common count from my I will take help of my common count and I will take 3 from that. So now my count AB will become equal to 8 and my common count now will become equal to 0. So I have taken help from group 2 now, and now my count AB is greater than or equal to C. So now it's okay. Now it's also possible that there is also not enough strings in common count. For example, if my count is equal to 10 now, let's say, and my common count is now equal to 0 and my count AB is now equal to 8. So still I need 2 more AB strings. So where can I find that? Now my group 2 is also empty. So now I can take help from BA strings. As you can see here, right? Now I can take help from my BA strings. So if the length of this string is x, then I can take at most x by 2 minus 1 strings from this. So now I can try to I can iterate over all my unused BA strings, because I must have used some BA strings in my count BA. So now I can iterate over leftover BA strings and try to accomplish my count from that. For example, here the length of the given string is BA. The length of this string is 8, so I can get 3 AB strings from here. So I can remove this B here, I can remove this A here, and I can take these 3 strings. So now my count AB will become equal to 11. So now my count is greater than equal to C. So now it's okay. So that should be your approach. Similarly, you have to do for count BA as well. So that will be the approach to the problem. So if I have to write it in steps here, your steps will be iterate over the string and take it into groups. Group 1, group 2 and group 3. Group 3 will our second group will contribute same. Will contribute same to AB and BA. So you can store it as common count. So you can store it as common count. For group 3, now take as much as you can into count AB from AB strings, and for count BA from BA strings. Now if count of AB is still less than C, take help from common count or group 2. Otherwise, if count AB is still less than C, take help from any unused group 3 BA strings. Similarly, you can check if count BA is less than D, take help from common count. If count BA is still less than D, take help from unused group 3 BA strings. Else, take help from unused group 3 AB strings and return count AB should be greater than equal to C and count BA should be greater than equal to D. If it is true, then your answer is yes, otherwise your answer is no. So that will be the solution for the problem. And if you guys want to see the code for this, here's my code for this. Here's my string, input string. Let me fix my mic. Here's my n and my string, and here I am splitting my string on the basis of consecutive letters. Whenever I find 2 consecutive letters, if my current size is equal to 1, this is my group 1, this is my group 1, so I do nothing. Otherwise, if it's my group 2, I'm storing it in common count. This is my group 2, I'm storing it in common count. Otherwise, if it's my group 3, and if it's starting with A, it's a AB string. This is my group 3. If it's starting with A, it's a AB string, so I am entering its contribution to my AB vector. Otherwise, if it's a BA string, it must start with B, so it's in my else condition, and I'm inserting its contribution to my vector. So you don't need to sort here. I think it's not. I don't think you need to sort here, but still I think it's useful to sort first. So if in starting my count AB is equal to 0 and my count BA is equal to 0 and my common count left is equal to my starting common count. So I will iterate over all my AB strings, try to get count AB equal to C from AB strings. So if so you can see my loop here. I don't think I need to explain this. And then similarly do for BA. Try to get BA from count BA equal to D. From BA strings. Otherwise, if my count AB is less than C, I need to take help from common count. Take help from common count. So I will take help from common count, and still if it's not enough, now I need to borrow from BA. Then I will borrow from BA, and you can see here when I'm comparing here, I'm comparing x minus 1 because it is contributing 1 less, because I have to remove A and B to take AB from BA strings, right? So it was so that part. So if my string AB is contributing x to ABs, it will contribute x minus 1 to BAs, right? Because I have to remove 2 extra ABs to use AB from BA string, right? So that's why I'm using x minus 1 here and not x. Similarly for count BA, if count BA is less than D, first I have to take help from common count, and still if it's not enough, I have to take help from AB strings. And in the end, if my count AB is greater than or equal to C and my count BA is greater than or equal to D, then my answer will be yes, otherwise my answer is no. So that is the solution for this problem, and I am sorry for the late video. Actually, I have my exams, so that's why I am a little slow and infrequent. But hopefully that will change in the next month. That was it for this video, and if you guys have a doubt, do ask me in the comments and I will try to help you out. Bye bye. Also, if you guys don't know, Content Newton School is offering a full stack development course. The course is over 6 months long, and it is totally based on pay after placement model, and you don't have to pay anything. There is zero hidden fees, there is zero upfront fees, and they are granting you a minimum package of rupees 5 lakhs. And the average package is rupees 7 lakhs and the highest package is over rupees 26 lakhs. So it is a very great opportunity. Also, all their mentors are from top MNCs like Google, Flipkart, Zomato, etc. Also, they will get you placed into the top MNCs as well, like Google, Flipkart, Zomato. So you can learn from the mentors that are working at those companies, and you can land a job at those companies yourselves. Also, you don't need to worry if you guys think कि यार मेरे को भी coding आती नहीं है, मैं भी fresher, मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं आता है. The course is over 6 months long and they will teach you from scratch. So you can still sign up for this. And if you guys are looking for a career in the tech field, this is a very great head start that you should sign up for. And if you want to land a job, I highly vouch for this. And if you guys want to sign up, there will be a link down below and you can go and sign up from there. So yeah, be sure to sign up for this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.